Okay friends, welcome back. Gina, Destination Baby. This is our how-to video of how to put the fabric back onto the Nia stroller frame. So first tip is going to be to go ahead and put the brake on your stroller. That way it's not rolling all over the place. The next trick is going to be on your stroller seat. There are these pieces on either side of the stroller seat. They're wires, sorry, it's a little blurry. They're wires within fabric. And if you're looking at the front of the seat, let me move this canopy. But if you're looking at the front of the seat, it's this piece on the side here, okay? So there's one on either side, and that's where we're gonna start. That's gonna be the trickiest part of this whole endeavor. And I'm actually gonna cheat, okay? I'm gonna tip the stroller toward the floor, have it come down, gently rest in that direction. And on the inside of the stroller on either side, you will see what is a piece here, an opening called a sail track. There's one on the other side as well. At the bottom of this sail track opening, you'll see it goes from narrow to a little bit wider. Where it gets a little bit wider, that is what I like to call our window of opportunity. So this is, again, the trickiest part of the whole thing. I like to almost put this butt piece up toward me because I just want as much fabric out of my grill as possible. So I've identified my sail track, my window of opportunities. I've got my two pieces of covered wire basically on either side. And then I'm going to start with having those tuck into the sail track on either side of the stroller. And as I mentioned, it can be a little frustrating because once you get one side in and it starts to slide down, it becomes a little bit more cumbersome to line up the other side. So I had one, then it came loose, now I got the other guy. Okay, so now they're both in. And now what I want to do is kind of evenly slide these toward myself, just very gently. So it's sort of a gently down the stream scenario. Okay, so we pulled this down. On the bottom, there are two little plastic guys that are immediately like adjacent to each other. They're on the same linear plane. And then there's a handle a little further back. We're gonna take our two front ones and line those up and pull. And then underneath there, that piece should just clamp on. But if you needed to, you could go under and adjust that pinch handle to sit on the other wire set that's underneath the seat. So we've got that set up and together. Now we'll go ahead and tip the stroller upright. Silver Cross has videos of how to do this too, but this is just my own attempt to help you guys in case hearing somebody talk about it instead of just showing it is useful. Now again, we've got our metal pieces that we pulled out from before. Those have little holes on the inside of each part of the frame. So you want to line that up and kind of gently shove it in. One side. You'll go ahead and find the piece on the other side, the hole, and then your metal bit is going to tuck right into there. And then the last thing that we're going to do is hook up our little plastic buddies to these plastic brackets on either side. It's a rectangular hole, and when those click in all the way, you'll hear a clicking sound. So now our Nia is back together. This champagne Nia is looking really good. I'm making sure all of the pieces are moving correctly, just so that I didn't bungle it for the next person that wants to try. But very, very nice, direct, easy. And then now we'll go ahead and fold it just to make sure, yep, everything's folding perfectly, beautifully. Can go in the overhead bin. It's looking good. And that, my friends, is how you put the fabric back onto the Silver Cross Nia. And then, of course, you're going to want to re-hook up your little buckle on the top. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. If you have other questions or comments, leave them below. And if you want to check out other colors and fabulous accessories of the Silver Cross Nia, head over to my website, destinationbabykids.com.